The Tibetan poet Tsangyang Gyatso, both Dalai Lama and lover of earthly passions, often wrote verses that expose the paradox of love. In part 4 of his 10 Maxims, he writes, "The best is not to meet, so there will be no reunion. But if we meet, we will know each other. What is meeting if it feels like not meeting? How can we part without turning life and death into longing? The best is not to meet." He begins with avoidance. If love starts with encounter, then avoiding encounter spares the pain. Behind this logic lies fear of heartbreak. To meet is to invite attachment, and attachment leads to loss. His cold reasoning hides a heart that has been wounded before. But if we meet, we will know each other. The poet immediately contradicts himself. Without meeting, how could two souls ever connect? He admits the beauty of intimacy, to know and to be known. Thus, the very act he wishes to avoid is also the one he cannot give up. This is the central paradox of love, painful yet precious, regretted yet cherished. How can we part without turning life and death into longing? In the final line, resignation turns to lament. To separate after knowing each other is unbearable. Even death does not end the ache. It becomes eternal yearning. His desire to part absolutely is not detachment, but helplessness. The plea of someone too entangled to escape. The artistry of these lines lies in their contradiction. Each, better not, is an attempt to protect himself, yet each reveals how deeply he is loved. The more he denies, the more he confesses. Simplicity of language belies emotional turbulence. Beneath plain words lies the storm of attachment. For modern readers, the poem resonates because its paradox is universal. Many fear to love because love brings pain, yet many also fear a life without it. Tsangyang Gyatso shows that avoidance cannot erase desire. His verses remind us, to meet is to risk heartbreak, but to never meet is to miss life's most profound connection. Love's value lies not in its permanence, but in its presence, however brief.